Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an outer door glass assembly on your double wall oven, fully open the appropriate door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a sturdy surface. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 4 screws securing the inner door frame to the outer door assembly. With the screws removed, lift off the frame. Lift out the window pack from the outer door assembly. Now unthread the 2 screws securing the left door hinge, as well as the middle screw securing the lower window pack bracket. With the screws removed, slide the hinge assembly out. Repeat to remove the right side door hinge and window bracket. Detach the upper window pack brackets as well. Next, unthread the 2 screws to release the door handle. Prepare the new outer door glass assembly for installation by transferring the window pack retaining clips and side rails from the old assembly to the new one. Make sure the 2 holes in the rails are facing the top of the door. Align the door handle on the new outer door assembly, then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Insert both door hinge assemblies into the outer door frame. Secure them with the screws. Realign all of the window pack brackets, securing them with the screws. Now position the window pack in the outer door assembly so the engraved up notations are visible. Position the inner door frame on the new outer door assembly. Thread and tighten the 4 screws to secure. The short screws secure the bottom of the frame. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.